I'll just check my phone for 5 minutes. A documentary. Our subject picks up the device at 9:04 p.m. One notification. A single, innocent notification. It'll take 10 seconds. They whisper. Nature is healing. 9:06. The notification has been handled. But wait, a video. Just one video. It is about a man restoring an old knife. Our subject does not own knives. Our subject does not restore things. They watch the entire thing twice. 9:15. The algorithm has awakened. It offers a video about why octopuses are basically aliens. Our subject accepts. They are now a marine biologist. 9:31. Our subject is watching a stranger review an airline seat. They have no flight booked. They are furious about the legroom anyway. 9:47. Our subject looks up. Something feels wrong. Time feels loose. They check the clock and experience what scientists call the gasp. 43 minutes have passed. It felt like 6. This is not a character flaw. The feed is literally engineered to delete your sense of time. Every swipe is a tiny slot machine, and the machine always says one more. So here is the only fix with a 100% success rate. Distance. The phone goes in another room. Not face down. Not in your pocket. Another room. Because willpower loses to a supercomputer designed by 1,000 engineers, but it absolutely destroys a phone it cannot reach. Your brain will not walk to the kitchen for a dopamine crumb. Too lazy. Use that laziness as a weapon. 5 minutes means 5 minutes again when the phone lives somewhere else. If you watch this on the phone at 1 a.m., first of all, hello, we see you. Subscribe before the algorithm drags you away. See you in the next scribble.